Good day, everyone. We are the Group 9, and our assigned topic is all about promotion and storytelling. So, first, let me introduce myself. I am Iris Antuini Lagranio.
I am Cecilia. So, I'm Lisa Marilia.
I'm Lyra over you.
Over you.
And the first reporter is Chris Aparilia.
So, morning. So, everyone. Ma, promotion is a marketing tools used as a strategy to communicate between the seller and buyer. So, the main goal is to influence and convince customers to buy a product or service. It also helps spread awareness about the product or company, improve the business image, and retain loyal customer. So, example is our cooperative sales is a lettuce. So, promotion help us to tell people why our lettuce is fresh, healthy, and better than others. So, they will buy and stay loyal. Next.
So there are
So there
six
are six
types of
types of
promotion.
promotion.
First is
First is
it's
it's
advertising.
advertising.
It helps
It
to us
helps to
spread
spread a word or awareness, promote any new launch, service, goods, or an organization. So, for example, among kanang among co-op, presenta among product is lettuce. So, para ma-aware ang mga tao na
nami
nami
product ng
product ng
lettuce.
lettuce,
We need
we
to
need to
advertising
advertising
social media ads,
ads,
print
print
ads,
ads,
and
and
put
put
in
in
store
store
displays
displays
o
o
ganang mga
kanang mga
online
online
banners
banners
para
para
manood
manood ang among
og
og
mga
mga
products.
products.
So,
So,
number
number
two
two
is
is
direct
direct
promotion.
promotion.
It
It
is
is the
the
kind
kind
of
of
advertising
advertising
where the company directly
benefits
benefits
with
with
its
its
customers.
customers.
So,
So,
for
for
example,
example,
alis
alis
ako
ang
ka ng
kanang
Spotify.
Spotify.
Di ba,
Diba,
if
if
mag-download
mag-download
ka
ka
o
o
ka ng
kanang
Spotify,
Spotify
kay
kay
gawa
gawas
atong gamiton ang pag-login kay ang email or ang number. So, ang ganyan sa Spotify, pwede na sila mag mag-email sa imo o ka ng mga promotions para ka ng sa ilang mga para maka-premium ka o paggamit sa ilang kanang apps na Spotify o ka na mga ito na sila mga feedback para sa imong experience sa ilang kanang while using Spotify. Then, next is ang sales promotion. This utilizes all sorts of marketing tools to communicate with the customers and increase sales. So, their goal is makakakuha sila o increase sila o kanang sales o attract new customers. So, kabantay mo sa una ka ng ang Starbucks ka ng use sa gym nga coffee shop is kanang nag-guide sila o promo like kung maka-purchase ka og 5 cup ka ng coffee na sila'y paraffle nga kung makadaog ka na sila'y ka ng libre trip o ka ng Palawan ba to tapos ang uban is ka ng mga groceries ilang ka ng price sa ilang promotion nga mong i-kuha. So, mo nilang ginagamit para makahitala sila og ka ng more customers ug ma-increase ang ilang sales. So, next.
Storytelling. Storytelling refers to the art of crafting narratives that capture the essence of your brand and appeal to your audience. And it also involves communicating narratives in a way that is both relatable and memorable. It goes deeper into the emotional and psychological aspect of your audience's decision making. So, ang storytelling is dili lang siya story in a book, no? Ang promotion and storytelling is both sila ga communicate, no? Kung when we say storytelling, it also involves sa mga emotional, kabalo ka unsay emotional sa laing tao if mag-business ka, and also psychological, kabalo ka sa hunahuna sa laing tao when it comes to business like Latus. So next is there are three types of storytelling. So number 1 is self-promotion, number 2 is public relation, and number 3 is online promotion. So what is self-promotion? So it is a process where the enterprises send their agents directly to the customer to pitch for their product or services. So no, kung ako gapamiligya og lettuce, ako ga-promote sa lain-lain nga mga customer or consumers para ma-promote nako ang akong business nga lettuce. And public relation, popularly known as PR, is exercised to broadcast the information or message between a company or NGO, government agency, business, or an individual na public. Like for example, karon is rampant naman gid kaayo ang social media. Ang social media is pwede na ka mag-post sa nga lahi-lahi nga business, like for example lettuce. No, gina-promote na siya sa social media para mas modaghan ang inyong customers or consumers ana nga business. Like dili lang Japan sa social media, dili lang sa Facebook, pwede ra pod sa Instagram, sa marketplace para mas mo lago ang imong business i-post nimo sa public. So ang online promotion, this includes almost all the elements of the promotion mix, starting from the online promotion with pay-per-click advertising. So online promotion, like for example advertising, no, like for example sa mga influencers, no, mag-invite mi og influencers ana nga mag-invite mi og influencers sa lahi nga mga tao, and amo ang gusto nga ipa-promote sa ilaha is ang lettuce, no. So mag-focus sila sa lettuce, and then after that nga mag-promote sila, i-post nila sa online para mas mulago ang business nga lettuce. So number 1 is kung ingana ang ma-follow nila ang 3 types of storytelling, it can also build trust and rapport with your audience. So in a business, people buy from people they like, trust, and are familiar with. So na dili ta basta-basta magpalit og mga lettuce kung sa kinsa na nga tao nga wa ta kaila, dapat kabalo taon sa ang background sa mga gabamaligya sa mga lettuce, kay what if lugar na ay mga hilo or ana. And for this, it also achieve this bond with your audience. Dako siya og impact kung ingani ang buhaton sa mga customers, no. And you need to use stories to show your personality, values, and authenticity. So no, akong giin ganina is mao to ang dapat kabalo ka, asa ka mo tuo, asa ka mas comfortable mo palit sa lettuce para didto nimo mabutang sa ilaha ang imong loyalty, no. Kabalo ka sa ilang personality, sa ilang values, and sa nila pag communicate sa ilahang customers. And once you've established this element of your brand, trust kicks in and customers start to like your brand from there. And number 2 is differentiate your brand from others. So what is unique selling proposition you have? How do you make it known to your target audience amid the tight competition in the industry? So I have discovered that telling the right story in a unique way always does that trick. Storytelling helps you highlight what makes you different and better from others. That is so simple. If your story can tell it, your audience can buy it. So kung kabalo ka mo storytelling sa lain-lain nga tao, kabalo ka mo-promote sa imong product, sa imong product nga lettuce, kabalo ka mo abi-abi sa imong mga customers, daghan mo palit sa imong baligya, and daghan pod silang kung mapalit ang imong customer nga isa, ang isa pod nga customer i-discuss nila sa ilahang mga silingan ingana nga palit mo ing ani palit mo ani kay nice ilahang product nice ilahang services. And next is Lou.
So thank you, Iris. So number three is to create memorable and shareable content. So you have to attend one seminar or another where they have to use the story. So the second is story help you to cut through the noise of capture attention. They help you make your content memorable and easy to recall. They also help you to make your content viral and word of mouth friendly. Next up. So lastly, increase loyalty and engagement. So first, you want to keep your audience engaged. People crave that emotional experience. There should be an emotional spark when they have interacting with your brand. So this is where stories play a huge role in stimulating your audience emotions and making them care about your message. Stories can help you to increase users' engagement, retention, and loyalty rates. That's all for our topic. I elaborate number 5. Drive sales and conversions. People sometimes make decisions based on emotions and justify with logic. Stories help you to influence their emotions and motivate them to take action. They help you to overcome objects and fears. They also help you to create a sense of urgency and scarcity.
And that is all about our report. I hope you all understand our discussions today. Thank you so much for listening, everyone.